you can go through this climax without the masturbation, but that's what this is about. Okay. This is about the masturbation. I am saying very, very clearly, let me be very, very clear. It is best to master sexual masturbation for manifestation first before you add a partner to it. It's a ritual act of creation. You're literally raising life force energy. It becomes taboo only when it's compulsive or shame based, but you're a temple. So we not on that kind of time. That's not what this is. That's not the energy that we're emitting. That's not any of that. Okay. Um, you're welcome. Uh, what do I why do I feel numb or disconnected from my yoni space? Okay. So if you feel disconnected or you feel numb, that is a sign that there is stored trauma, generational shame, uh, suppression. That kind of stuff will disconnect us. The numbness is a signal. Okay. It's not really a flaw. So, what you want to do is womb work, breath, sound, and touch can reawaken that area over time. Um, Energy healing, energy medicine for the womb, along with things like the yoni steam, the yoni teas. Send me a message afterwards. I will send you some links to some things that you can try, or you can, more than welcome, schedule time for us to talk. Okay. Um, let's see the next one. Can blocked womb energy affect my manifestation? Absolutely. If the womb holds pain, trauma, or even soul ties, it distorts your frequency. That's the example that I was talking about. That's why we clear, cleanse, and bless the womb to make it for a fertile field for divine creation. Now we go into great depths of this in um, Goddess Frequency and Goddess Frequency Now. We do the work collectively, we do it together over time, and it's a requirement. You got to be able to check the boxes. And I'm going to use this time to talk a little bit more about that program because I think all women need to be in it, which is why the price is lowered right now. But to give everyone a low barrier to entry. Um, One of the things that we do, like between each of our sessions, there's work to be done. You get your session with me when you've done the work. So some people, even people who, paid the full price previously at the 55, maybe they did a yoni steam, but they didn't do a home yoni steam. They scheduled an appointment. Well, they don't have their appointment with me till after the yoni steam. Okay. If you're doing a yoni steam at home and you've ordered the herbs and they haven't got there yet, so you haven't done it, you don't get your session with me until it does, right? So every session with me requires a set of work that has to have been done beforehand. So you learn the material, you get the course, you get the lives, but you have to do the work to move forward. That's how we know that the work is done. Okay. And you can't get to the next level by lying. There's no way around clearing and cleansing and blessing the womb. There is no way to fake having a fertile field for divine creation. All right, next question. Um, oops. I'm sorry, I'm so sniffly. I should have taken some allergy medicine before I sat outside. What's the difference between manifesting with my mind versus with my womb, blah, blah. Manifesting from the mind is logic based, it is masculine based. It works because that's where I started. Okay. That's where most people start. That's where most of the information that is out there and available to us is about. Manifestation from the womb is quantum. Okay. There's people out there that'll tell you, oh, we're doing quantum manifestation. But if you're not using any womb tactic, it's not really quantum. You can quantum leap, but you are not manifesting from the womb. When you are manifesting from the womb, it is quantum. It taps into emotional, sensual, and energetic powers. Mind equals a blueprint, right? When you're manifesting with your mind, you have a blueprint you're following step by step. When you manifest with your womb, the womb is a portal. You are stepping through. It is completely different. It's a completely different experience, and it is divine. Let's see. Next, how often should I do sex magic rituals for manifestation? Follow your natural cycle. New moon for calling in, full moon for either amplification or the release. Okay. Daily solo practices to raise energy and to fine tune. So, one of the things I think we're going to be adding is like a 30-day solo practice expansion, which I've never done before with this new group. We'll see where it leads because I think that's going to be very, very magnetizing. But you really want to listen to your body's rhythm. If your womb wants it, trust it. Okay. Um, should I speak my desire out loud or keep it in my mind during orgasm? Both work. Speaking out loud charges your throat chakra and affirms the spell. In silence, it's deeply internal. So when you are in solo, I recommend out loud so that you can charge the throat chakra. Okay, if you are with a partner who is non-participating, then do it internally. If you are with a participating partner and he is able to anticipate that you are there at orgasm, the way that he helps you is right at and through your orgasm. He's asking you to verbalize your manifestation. That right there is explosive. And if he does it with you, it's even more explosive. Okay.